How to restrict a group chat on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can restrict a group chat in Messenger. So to do that, first of all, let me open my Messenger app. Now once you've done that, simply make sure you are logged into your Messenger account. Now once you're logged in, let me simply search for a group. For now, I'll simply choose this group right over here. Now let's say you want to restrict this group chat over here. So there are basically 2 or 3 ways on what you can do to restrict this. So the first method is the basic method, which is simply go to the group and then leave the group by tapping the option leave chat and then confirm it by tapping the option leave. Now that is one way on how you can restrict a group chat. Now the second way is simply long press on your group. After that, tap on the option mute. Now once you've done that, simply choose until I change this. Now no notifications will appear from this group. So what you can do now is simply swipe to the left and then tap on the option archive. Now this will archive your group, and since we have turned off notifications, we will neither get any notifications from this group nor it will appear on our list. So currently those were the only 2 ways on how you can restrict a group chat on Messenger. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.